have 3 McQuay 350-ton chillers. We have 2 Baltimore Aircoil 300-ton towers. We have had our cooling towers for 10 years, and we use the WCTI high-efficiency softening system for our water treatment. We've had our WCTI system for about a year now. We operate 365 days a year. We're specifically maintaining an environment for archival purposes here, which requires chilled water to dehumidify, hot water to reheat, and then independent steam humidifiers to inject steam into the room for humidity. So this is the third type of water treatment system we've had in this building. The building opened with EcoTools ionic water treatment system. And after a severe failure of a nearby neighboring building using the same system, everyone ran scared here, and we went to chemical treatment. We used chemical treatment until January of 2010. In conjunction with C.B. Richard Ellis, who conducted a study of various non-chemical treatment plans, we received a recommendation through an affiliate that they felt that the WCTI system was a very good system for us to look at. We're very satisfied with our water treatment system. My only wish when we installed the system was that it didn't require as high a water pressure to operate the system. We have some water pressure problems here, and so we ended up installing an inline booster pump to ensure that we kept a constant pressure to the water softener. The improvements that we look for we were specifically looking to reduce or eliminate the use of chemicals in the building. We can't eliminate them because we do have closed loops, and so we always will have chemicals in the building. We also, it helps us on our MSDS program because we can put those MSDS in archival for the next 30 years, but we don't have to actively maintain those MSDS that we're not using. Our water testing, our engineering department does our water testing. Our minimum standards are 4 times a week for hardness testing. It reduced the amount of tests that they have to do. They only have to do 1 test now. We don't have to maintain testing kits. It just makes logging for them much easier. So those were all of the activities that we were looking for. And then lastly, we look at energy conservation measures here. We use a different term. We use EWCMs. We want to do energy water conservation measures. And so it was important to us to try and eliminate as much of the blowdown as we could. And we were blowing down quite a bit of water with the sand filter use and with our chemical tower blowdowns. And so we're looking at saving about 152,000 gallons a year right now with the current system. So those are the things that we look for, and to date, why we're satisfied with the system that we have.